treasure how beautiful life can be, and what a little love can